Hey everybody, in today's lesson I'm going to show you how to play Chinese Rocks by Johnny Thunders and the Heartbreakers. This is off of the L.A.M.F record. And before I begin, remember to like and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week. And here we go. So there's two guitar players on this. There's Walter Lure and Johnny Thunders. And it sounds like on the record they're separated left and right on the pans on the track, but the mix is pretty rough, so it's hard to tell exactly who's playing what. So for this lesson, I'm going to show you like the basic rhythm parts, and then I'll show you the fills that I can hear. And Johnny plays some of them, and Walter plays the other ones. So to start, we're going to play just power chords here. We're going to start with an F power chord, and we're going to slide into a G power chord. And then we're going to move up to an A sharp power chord, and we're going to slide up to a C. So the whole riff is. And that's basically it for that part. And then at the end of that opening riff, Johnny Thunders is going to do this slide. So he's going to go from that C power chord. He's going to slide up with using his ring finger up to about the 15th fret. And you can pull on that too. And then you're going to slide back down. So it goes up and down. So. And then I think the other guitar, I think it's Walter Lure playing this. At the end of the next time, it's going to go something like this. And that's just a bend with your index finger on the 8th fret of the high E string. And then you can use your pinky on the 11th fret of the B string to do that bend, and it's something like this. And then we're going to go into the verse, and then we're going to go back to that F power chord. And then you're going to move up to a G power chord, so. And then there's this cool little fill at the end of the verse. And so you're going to play that F power chord. And so an easy way to play that is you're going to be playing that F power chord. You're going to slide up. I like to use my second finger. And then bridge across with your the 3rd fret of the B and E strings with your first finger. And you're going to kind of go. So you're going to play slide. And then you're going to do a pull off. And then for the chorus, we're going to play a D chord to an A chord to a G, back to an A, so. And then there's going to be this kind of bend part, and that's on the 3rd fret of the A string, so all the way through. That's basically it for the chorus. Then there's going to be this this bridge part, and so it's going to go E, G, A. So. Then D. So that last part's D. And then Johnny Thunders is going to do this kind of slide down. So you go up real high on the fretboard and just go. And then it's back into the verse. So the whole bridge again is. between the bridge part, there's going to be a couple fills, so it goes, and you're going to play like a bend with your index finger bridged over the 17th fret of the B and E strings, and then up here high on these frets, I use my middle finger to push on the 19th fret of the G string. And it's kind of hard to hear exactly how he's playing it, but it's something like that. And then it goes. So, and that's at the 7th fret of the G string. So with both parts together. And then it's going to play the chorus back and forth over and over again a bunch of times. And then at the very end, you're going to play a D chord, and then an A chord. To an E minor. And then Johnny does a bend at the end. It's kind of like this hammer-on pull-off on the 2nd fret, so it goes. So you're basically just going to go on and off with your you can use your middle finger. And then at the end, very end, he bends. As the song fades out. So it's something like. So that's it for this one. If you like this video, remember to like it and subscribe on YouTube. I'll be posting new videos every week. And thanks for watching.